For a square, the perimeter is 4 times its side. Yes, 4 times its side. That we learned. Now let's learn for a rectangle. All right, for a rectangle. Okay. Now for a rectangle, A, B, C, D. Right now, don't write anything. Okay. Right. So for a rectangle, what is perimeter? Perimeter is distance along its border. Yes, perimeter is distance along its border. So perimeter of a rectangle, right? Or I can write perimeter of rectangle is equal to distance AB plus BC plus CD plus DA, right? Yes, right? Everyone clear this one? Same way for square, but just a little bit difference. That is, AB, length of AB is going to be more, CD is going to be same as AB, BC and AD or DA are going to be same. We know that for a rectangle, AB is equal to CD and BC is equal to AD or DA, right? Right? Yes, everyone. So in this above equation, what are we going to do? P rectangle is equal to AB plus BC. AB plus BC. Now CD is there, but CD is AB only. So AB plus DA. DA is what? BC only. Yes, they are both same, so I can replace them. Yes, they are one and the same only. So AB and AB, that is 2 times AB plus 2 times BC. Yes, very easy. Not yet. Don't write anything yet. I will tell you when to write. Okay. Yes. Now what is AB? AB is one side and BC is another side. Yes, and both have 2 in common, right? So I can write it like this: AB plus BC. Okay, Gia, just pay attention. Okay, right? This is clear up to this point. All the sides. First, we have to add all the sides. Then we know that this side and this side are same, and this side and this side are same. Okay, right? So we can replace them, and once we replace them, what it becomes is 2 times AB, 2 times BC, which becomes 2 times AB plus BC. Okay, yes, right? So what happens is, next is, now AB in the rectangle, if length is AB, C and D, this side is length L and this side is its breadth B. Okay, I can write it like this also. So perimeter is equal to 2 times length plus 2 times breadth. Okay, right? Understood? 2 times L, 2 times B. Why? Because this L is equal to this L and this B is equal to this particular line also is B. Okay, right? Okay, everyone. Gia, now is it clear? Gia, where is Gia? I don't see Gia here. Where is Gia? Gia, yes, now is it clear? It makes sense now? Yes? Come on, show me a thumbs up or down. Yes, Ananya, we will get to the question. Hold on a second. Yes, okay. Yeah, okay, good. That's good. So perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 times L plus B. This you have to write, not the previous part. Okay, this part you don't have to write. The next part you have to write. Okay, and we will go to Ananya's question. Sorry, Anya's question. Anya, you had a question? Yes, Anya, tell me.
Sir, what is the meaning of B?
Sorry?
What is the meaning of B that you have written with L?
Breadth.
Okay, sir.
L is equal to length and B is equal to breadth. Hold on a second. This is stopping now. It has stopped. Right? This is the correct spelling. Sorry. Yeah. Length. Okay. Hold on. What is okay? Now it is working. Is it working now properly? Can you hear me? There is some problem with internet, unfortunately. Hello? Gia, can you hear me? Gia, can you hear me?
No, sir.
Do you hear me? Anyone? Are you able to hear me? Neja, did you hear me?
Sir, your voice is cracking.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Internet is little bit poor today. I don't know why, what happened, but it's creating problem. Okay, Anya is saying yes, I can hear you. Okay, good, good, right. So L is for length, B is for breadth. Okay, yeah, okay, right. Come on, everyone. So perimeter of a rectangle is 2 times length plus breadth. This is the formula for perimeter of a rectangle. Okay, and now we are going to go for perimeter of triangle, which is very easy. For a triangle, right, perimeter of triangle is equal to sum of all lengths, or sum of all the 3 lengths, sum of lengths of 3 sides. Sorry. So if this is P, Q, and R, then perimeter of the triangle will be PQ plus QR plus PR. Right? Very easy. Right? Okay. Perimeter is the easiest part. You just have to add all the sides. Yes, this one you have to write perimeter of triangle. Come on, do it quickly. Done. Alrighty. Then now comes area. Right? Now comes area. Okay, area of a square and area of a rectangle. That's what we are going to do. Okay, now that's what we are going to learn. What is area of square? Come on, everyone. Again, it's breaking. Hello, can anyone hear me? Again, what happened? Today it's getting worse. Hello, can you hear me? Yes, sir, I can. Okay, okay, good, good. And you guys joined today only just now. All righty then. Okay, right. Where are you guys? Yes, Mahir, you want to ask something? Yes, Mahir.
Sir, so what is the answer of the perimeter of a triangle?
Perimeter of triangle is addition of all the three sides.
सर नहीं मतलब हमने रेक्टेंगल में किया ना पेरीमीटर इज इक्वल टू 2l प्लस b तो
हाँ, 2
ट्राइंगल
times
में क्या
L plus B.
आएगा
Triangle में all the three sides AB plus BC plus CD, all the three sides is to be added. That's it. No formula as such like that. है ना? Right? Now Bhavya. Bhavya, what is your question? Jia, I'll get back to you for just a minute. Yes, Bhavya, what is your question? Where is Jia? I don't see Jia here. Jia. Okay, Jia, yes.
सर
Mm-hmm. Tell me.
if we have any shape for example we have a triangle
Mm-hmm.
then we can do any letters.
Yes, and a name can be given. Any name can be given. Yes, that you have studied in 4th standard. Right? Come on. Yes, Bhavya wanted to say something. Where is Bhavya? Yes, Bhavya, you had a question? Bhavya is not answering. Uh,
Sir, I have no question.
okay, you raised your hand. That is why, right? Okay, Vansh has a question. Yes, Vansh?
Sir, first you uh, what you say the a rectangle of it. This one, sir.
Perimeter of a rectangle is 2 times the side plus 2 times the breadth, right? Length and breadth. That is what it is. Now, Anya Bush
Sir,
has a
not
question.
that.
Yes, Anya, tell me.
Sir, will you send me the picture of that math?
Okay. Now, let's do this one. Now, pay attention on this one, everyone. This will clear it up. Okay. Now some of you were saying that you can't hear it. Well, I'm sorry for it because it is online streaming, so you might not be able to hear it because of the internet, poor internet connection. But don't worry, I'll be sharing this video. Sorry, I'll be sharing this video again on WhatsApp also with the class so that you can go through it thoroughly. Okay, no issues. Right now, going back to Jamboard. Okay, right. So we have got perimeter of square is equal to 4 times side, right? Perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 times L plus B, and perimeter of triangle is equal to sum of sides, sum of 3 sides. I want you to write down these formulas, everyone. Please note it down. Yes, Shivani, I'll get back to your questions. Just a minute. Okay, come on, everyone. Finish it up. Do this, write down. Everyone, please. Shivani, where is Shivani? There she is. Yes, Shivani, what is your question, beta?
सर आपने जो रेक्टेंगल में ड्रॉ करने को बोला तो उसको उसकी जो साइड्स को लेंथ बोलते हैं कि ब्रेथ बोलते हैं उसकी जो
Triangle.
साइड्स होती है
Triangle may actually the two slanting sides, they are called sides, and then below one, which is the flat one, that is called as base. Okay, that is called as
क्या सर
base, B-A-S-E, base. उसमें base बोलते हैं. Okay, which we will discuss later on. Okay, right, everyone? That is
Okay,
called as
thank you, sir.
base. Yes, right. Come on, note it down. Now, formula for area. Okay. Now, for area also, I'm going to I'll be sharing that video later on, but you need to note down the formula for area. Area of square, area of a square, right, is equal to side into side. This you have studied in 4th standard, right? Area of rectangle, area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Okay, that is also side 1 into side 2. And area of triangle, right? Area of triangle, area of a triangle is equal to half of area of square. Okay, because you cannot see the video right now, I will be sharing that with you, don't worry. Okay, there is no point of playing the video right now because you won't be able to see anyway. I will be sharing it on YouTube and you will be able to do it. Okay, you'll be able to understand it. If you don't understand, I will explain it later on, right? Okay, okay, everyone, that's not a problem, right? Yes, Anya, come on. Mauriel, have you noted this down? This one you need to write it down in your notebooks. Come on, everyone, note it down. Yes, very good, very good. Come on, Shubh, note it down quickly. Vruta, are you writing this down? Okay, good. That's very good. Very good. Shlok, very good, Manvi. Thank you. Thank you for giving me a thumbs up. That's good. But I don't drink thumbs up. No one should drink cold drinks. है ना? Thumbs up देने के लिए ठीक है, लेकिन पीना नहीं है वो, है ना? Right? It's harmful. Right? Okay? All right, everyone. Okay, now let's do some examples. Right. So for a rectangle, example number 1, for a rectangle, length is equal to 6 centimeter and breadth is equal to 5 centimeter. Okay, find its perimeter and area. That you have to find out. Perimeter and area has to be found. All right, so how do we find? What is the formula for perimeter of rectangle? Perimeter of a rectangle, I'm going to draw a rectangle here. That means it's a rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle is 2 times L plus B, which is 2 times L is what? 6 plus 5. 6 plus 5 is what? 2 times 11. And what is the meaning of bracket? Bracket means multiplication. So 2 times 11 is 22. Now what will be the unit of this? Because both are centimeter, the answer will be centimeter only. Okay, and area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. So 6 into 5, that is going to be 6 5s are 30, and centimeter into centimeter, it is written as square centimeter, right? Okay, everyone. Yes, this you have studied in 4th standard, square centimeters. Yes, those of you who have a doubt about this one, we will discuss this in the next class, why it is square. Okay, okay, everyone. If you have doubt, if you don't have a doubt, that's wonderful. If you have doubt, I want you to read about it, why it's a square. Okay, that is your homework, right? I want you to find out why it is square centimeter and why not just centimeter. Okay, right? I don't understand, Shivani. It's simple formula. Which part you don't understand, beta? Tell me.
सर पेरीमीटर वाला.
Beta, it's a simple formula, 2 times L plus B, right? We have to multiply 2 times L plus B. What is L? 6. What is B? 5. 6 plus 5 is 11. So 11 2s is 22. Bolo. There is a difficulty in this one. अभी तो difficult वाला example start भी नहीं किए. It will come.
I guess सर समझ.
हाँ, थोड़ा काम करना पड़ेगा, right? Come on. All right, everyone. So next example, I'm going to take example for square. This is example 1, right? Example number 2. Side is equal to 7 centimeter. Okay, find perimeter and area of square. Okay, okay, so we have got side, perimeter of a square. I'm going to draw a square here. Perimeter of square is 4 times the side. 4 times the side. So 4 into 7. 7 4s are 28. How many? Centimeters. And area is equal to side into side, which is 7 into 7. So what will be the answer? 49 square centimeter. Okay, done. Come on, do it fast. Very easy. Shivani, 7 7s is what? It's a formula. 7 7s is 49, right? So side into side, area. This is you have studied in 4th standard. Okay, I want you to read about it. If you still don't understand, then I will explain it tomorrow morning. Okay, right? And I'm going to share the video, the one which you learned last year only, right? I'm going to repeat that video for you on. Yeah, okay, Shivani, you are giving the answer. That is correct. That is correct. Good job. Okay, that is correct. Okay, now let's do some homework. For rectangle, for a rectangle, right? Length is equal to 7 centimeter and breadth is equal to 8 centimeter. Okay, this is one example. Number 2, length is equal to 10 centimeter, breadth is equal to 12 centimeter. Okay, and now for a square, one example where side is equal to 8 centimeter, and number 2, for number 2, side is equal to 2 meter. Okay, everyone? Yes. Okay, this is the homework for you. This is the homework for you all. You have to find perimeter and area for both. Okay? Okay? Yes, everyone, you have to find perimeter and area in all cases, right? For all. Area for all. Okay. Right? That is the question. For example, as homework. Now, let's take some questions. Some students have questions, so we will take one by one. Sorry. Yeah, okay. Vansh has a question. Yes, Vansh?
Sir, in the first question, the length of a rectangle. First question.
Hold on a second. I am not getting you. Alright, what happened here? Where did the
No,
problems go? Alright, what happened here? Where are my problems? Everything is gone?
yes, sir. I
Uh,
can't see anything.
What happened here? Ish. Does anyone have them? Okay, I'm going to rewrite them for find perimeter and area for all. I'm going to rewrite them. Okay.
Sir, the what we say you have
Rectangle.
a formula of area and perimeter.
Mm,
Then that one sum. That the perimeter is equal to a question mark. That one sum, sir.
I'm not able to hear you. What happened? Sorry, Vansh. Your voice is breaking up, beta.
Yes, this one. This
One formula.
I'm sorry.
perimeter, triangle, and that one.
You have to use the formula, beta. This is something which you have done in 4th standard also.
Sir,
Okay. This is something which you have done in the 4th standard also. It's
you
very easy.
have
Anya?
That's sir 30 square centimeter.
Yes, square centimeter. That's what I said. You have to read about it. Yes. Yes, Anya. What is your question?
Sir, that you gave the homework, in that can we draw the rectangle and the square?
Yes, you can. No problems. No problem. In the notebook, you have to do it. Okay? Right? In the notebook. All these examples are to be done in the notebook. And I will ask randomly. I will ask students to show me the answers. Okay? So tomorrow that is going to happen. I'm going to ask random any student, any 5 students I will ask. Show me your notebooks. Yes, Siddhi, tell me, what is your question?
Sir, every chapter you send the definitions of the chapter. So when will you giving the definitions of this chapter? Because my notebook was going to is going to left.
Okay, no problem. So, that will be coming soon. Okay, that will be coming soon. All the class notes. Okay. All right, then that's it for the day. Tomorrow, right? You will get the rest of the problems. You will take it. Yes, Akshat, you want to say something? Yes, Akshat. Bolo.
सर आपने वो सेकंड वन में जो एल और 10 सेंटीमीटर में जो है ना वो बाद में आपने ब्रेथ में गलती से 11 सेंटीमीटर लिख दिया.
कोई बात नहीं बेटा, एक और एग्जांपल मान के कर लो, है ना? एक और एग्जांपल मान के कर लो, है ना? एक एग्जांपल ज्यादा कर लेना. ओके, ऑल राइट, दैट्स इट फॉर द डे. बाय बाय एवरीवन.
Hi, sir.